A big hello and welcome to all my Planet Moms, Glam Moms, and all my romance book viewers who want to know about what's happening in my book reading journey. I have been in Arena Kent hiatus since July. I have been reading quite many of her books, basically the two series, the parents series and the kids series. I started with the kids series in July, God of Malice. All these books that I have read so far in the Kingdom of God, or I always say Kingdom of God, in the God series, I have read Legacy of God series. I have read the 4 books. I still have to read the 5 books I've read. I still have the God of Fury and the God of War. So I still have Nicola's story and I still have Ellie story pending to read. And then I have on the other side the parents book, the whole Elite series I have read, and all the books that I've read for the Legacy of God series is in my YouTube channel. You can see that, and Insta as well, My Life with BBS. And as for the Elite series, all the books I've read The Cruel King. I've read the 3 Aiden and Elsa's books. I've read even Cole and Silver's story. I've also read the Black Knight. This is Kimberly and Xander's story. Now I still have one pending, which is today, which I'll be starting, The Vicious King. The Vicious King has the 2 people, I forget her name, the sister of Elsa and our Aster. So his story, which I'll be starting once I'm done with this review. So let's begin. This book is about Black Knight. This is a spoiler free video, so don't worry, I will not spoil your fun at all. And I also have read The Cruel King. The Cruel King is my Parents of London. I've read that as well. So I've read all. So only one is pending for the Elite series, Vicious King next, which I'll be reading. Then I'll be done with the whole Elite series, and then I'll go back to the kids book, and then I think I'll be switching to the Mafia world. And once I'm done with that, I think I want to read the something new. Let's see what that will be. But let's get back to Black Knight. So this book is really something, it was a total surprise for me. I was not very keen on reading it. You see, after Aiden's book, I went to Cruel King, I went to Cole's story, and then I went to Cruel King. So this was not a book which I was really much looking forward to read. I was more excited to read Vicious King. But however, I'm so glad that I read this book. I rated a 4. This book was really very emotional book. It has a lot of trigger warnings, so please read that before that. But this story was a very, very sweet story. Kimberly, as a person, I really liked her in the whole 3 books. I hated Xander always. And in this book also, in the maximum part of the book, I really hated Xander. I really hated him. At the end, his explanation, I understood why he did what he did, but I think he should have dealt it in a different manner. So I didn't like him, but then I could see his love for her always, and him being I will not do any spoilers, so let's not talk about it. But he did care and love her a lot from the beginning of the story, but he always hated her, and there is a reason why he did that, which I will not show, which when you read the book you will find out. But then yes, so we have seen Xander and Kim in all the stories in the first 3 books of Elsa, right? And we have seen the interaction between them was never good. In this book, we'll find out why it happened, why he was the way he was to her. But also, you'll find out a lot about Kimberly as a person. If you remember, she has gone in her final year. She went to lose weight, and I'm a person also been trying to lose weight for some time. But of course, I'm not like her. But in many ways, when I see her character, how her mom is really a big bitch. She's the worst mother anybody could have. I mean, better she doesn't have a mother than that mother. Always talking negative about her, making her feel not comfortable in her skin. So she had a very stressful childhood as well, being with the mother. And then Xander, her and her were the best friends for a long time. And then something happened and he started hating her. So even she started being... So there are a lot of things that will happen to her. And then slowly we will find out what this book. I really did cry. I really did cry. I really did feel a lot for Kim. She didn't deserve this shit Xander put her, but Xander himself was also suffering on the other side, because we see him partying and all in all the books, but he did love her genuinely, and she was the one for him from the very beginning of the book. So I think it was a great surprise read for me. I think you should not skip this book. If you are into Rinaverse, Rina World, I would recommend to definitely try going in this series. There is a reason why people go, but for me, one more book to go for finishing of this series, and then I'll be having another two to finish from the other series. Alright, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I have been posting a lot about my Singapore trip as well. This is a lifestyle channel, so you'll also find I have a 6-year-old daughter, and we live in Saudi Riyadh. We are from India. So reading like dark, I was much more into historical romances all this time, but since I found Rina Kent, I have not Rina Kent, since I found Anna Huang. She was the first one I started reading the whole Twisted series. I think this year has been a lot of romance reading for me, but I really enjoy it. You know, everybody has something they enjoy. For me, there are two kinds of books I love. I love romance and I love self-help books. But nowadays I'm in the Rina world because I have this Amazon subscription, which is Kindle. I think I paid like 1000 Indian rupees, and it's for 6 months, and you can read as many books you want, which are Kindle free, unlimited. And all Rina Kent's books are in Kindle in India, Amazon, so you can read these books for free. It's like a library. You rent the books, and so that's why I'm trying to finish the whole God of Malice series. I had bought it, but this the Elite series and the coming Mafia series, I've not bought it. Of course I want to have the physical copy, but since we don't live in South, I love books in hand. You know, the smell of the book, I love that. But I have been hooked on to Kindle since May, and I'm enjoying reading it. But definitely once I move back to India, I will have my library, and I will buy some books which I really enjoy reading, most definitely. So it's a big thumbs up for me, this book. Go for it, read it. It's emotional. Definitely you need to have some hanky or something with you. And thank you so much for taking the time to see my review. I think the next book will be The Vicious King, which I will be posting, and then I'll go back to the God series. All right, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.